What's up, Quackers? What's up, Tuffy? I love you, Tuff. How long does it take to get all my pimps in one big place? How long does it take to get all my pimps in one big place? How long does it take to get all my pimps in one big place? How long does it take to get all my pimps in one damn place? Let's rock the moat. We're gonna take this walk around the pond. Come on, let's do it. We're gonna make them puppies drop that ball. Come on, guys, who wants the peach of love? Who wants the peach of love, the peach of love, the peach of love? Little bit, are you in there, little bit? No, did you? Oh, there's a little bit. Why are you eating that little bit? Don't eat that. That poor thing didn't take a stand, did it? Not the balls. You ate that plum already? I mean, yeah. Beep, beep, boop, boop, jumping, do, do. Good job, beep, beep, boop, boop. Yeah, come on. Come on, little bit. Watch out! Come on, guys. Come on, chickens. Chicken on me. Come on, chicken on me. Chicken on me! Chicken on me! I'm a soldier with me. Only a turkey soldier's coming. Little boogers. I'm trying to get them out. Come on, guys! Come on, chicken soldiers! Chicken soldiers! Mount up! Chicken soldiers! Mount up! Ow! Come on, little soldier. Hey, you can't just be eating anything. Come on. Oh! Turkey soldiers! Keep going. We got a lot of work done today on the chicken, on the breeding area. Oh, god dang, buddy. You can't get in front of the feet. You gotta stay in front. Yeah, there you go. Come on, little booger. I know it's a lot of walking, but you a tough little booger. Through the hills and through the woods, turkey life is always good. Sound off, 1, 2, sound off, 3, 4, sound off, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, get the baby, oh, get the baby. Devil horn, call me. Hey, you know who that is? That is Dog the Bounty Hunter. Look out, Dog. Look out, Bounty Hunter. Cat William. What's that, Cat William? Where my house at, man? Where my house at, man? I got them devil horns. Devil horns, call me. Running through your head, devil horns, call me. Running through your veins. Alright, y'all. It's time for y'all to get up, get out, and get something. You gotta get up, get out, and get something. It's time for night-night. That means take your ass to bed. Don't make me tell you again about the story of my friends. We were doing it cringe. Doing it cringe. A story about my friends. Billy, Juju, Junior, mount up now. Tell him, you little stinky winker. Say, we tired. Lift me out, Dada. Did you pee-pee poo-poo? Did you pee-pee poo-poo all that pee-pee poo-poo out? Huh? You got all that pee-pee poo-poo out? Did you? Now! Up! Now! Where you at, little bit? Little bit! Junior Gotti Lottie! Bring it to the body, can you feel me? Come with me, I'll marry you one quick room. What do you have here now? Or do you want to ride it down? Ride it down. This is Rob C and the place to be. This is Havens Homestead. Please hit that like and subscribe. It means a lot. It lets me know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. If you don't like something, leave that in a comment too. And remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace! Let it drain.